Hey Travis, well I tell you what, I think we met in Victory Lane at the Trailway Speedway earlier this year. Now you've got a win to match it right here at Path Valley, Travis. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, we've really busted our butts this week to get this car together, and it was nice to get a win here because I tend to struggle a good bit, but this car all night was just a rocket.
No struggling tonight. You won the heat race off the front row, led it every lap.
Yeah, it just it rolled pretty good. I got to thank Barry Lavelsberger Probe Chassis for just a great race car. IP Performance for a great engine. The Kawasaki with the Angler on it was rolling pretty good tonight. Mom and Dad, of course, like they're the biggest supporters. But yeah, that's pretty much it for tonight.
That's all it needs to be at, right, Travis? Yeah. Congratulations, bud.
Thank you.
Travis Kaiser, your Immaculate Concrete 600 Micro Sprint feature winner.